Today, we're turning your smartphone into a powerful location intelligence toolkit using a free app called Termux. Termux gives you a Linux command line environment right on your Android phone. It's clean, minimal, and unlocks possibilities you won't find in standard Play Store apps. We'll cover 10 specific tools and techniques, from tracing your data's path across the globe to mapping Wi-Fi networks nearby. This is about the raw power of the command line, not fancy UIs. If you're ready to see what your device can really do, let's get started. First up is traceroute, a must-have tool for tracking your data's path across the internet. Traceroute shows you each step, or hop, your data takes from your device to its destination. In Termux, just type traceroute main and hit enter. You'll get a numbered list of hops, each showing the IP address and latency for every router your data passes through. Many IPs can be linked to general locations, letting you visualize your data's route. You'll also see which providers handle your data at each step. With Termux, you can map the internet's path right from your phone. Let's get practical with Nmap, the essential network scanner you can run right from Termux. Nmap scans your local network to find all connected devices and shows what they're doing. Connect your phone to Wi-Fi, open Termux, and you're ready to scan your LAN. Nmap sends probes to every device on your network and lists what's connected. It can identify device types, operating systems, and manufacturers. Nmap also checks which ports are open, showing what services each device is running. To use it, just type the Nmap command in Termux and scan your subnet. The results give you a clear map of all devices and their details on your network. Use this info to audit your home network or spot unknown devices instantly. Nmap in Termux is your go-to tool for fast, effective local network discovery. Traceroute gives us a list of IP addresses, and Nmap finds them on our local network. The next step is to find out what those IPs mean in the real world. Use IP geolocation scripts in Termux to convert an IP address into a physical location. There are many simple Termux scripts that query online databases and return location info for an IP. These scripts send the IP to services like MaxMind or IP API and get back details. You'll get the country, region, city, and sometimes the postal code. The scripts also show the ISP that owns the IP address. In Termux, you can install Python or shell scripts, run them, paste in an IP, and get a report. The report includes country, city, region, ISP, and sometimes latitude and longitude. This quickly adds a geographical layer to your traceroute or Nmap results. You can now visualize the path your data takes between real-world cities. Let's focus on tracking your own device using Termux. Your smartphone has a built-in GPS sensor for precise location. With Termux, you can access raw GPS data directly from the command line. Install the Termux API app alongside Termux to enable this feature. Grant the necessary permissions when prompted. Run the command Termux location to get live GPS data in your terminal. You'll see your latitude, longitude, altitude, speed, and bearing. You control when and how your location is accessed. The data stays on your device unless you choose to use it elsewhere. You can save or process this data for your own projects. This gives you powerful, scriptable access to your exact position. With Termux, you can automate GPS logging using simple shell scripts. Use the Termux location command in a loop to record your location every 30 seconds. Save the JSON output, latitude, longitude, and timestamp to a text file. Start the script, put your phone in your pocket, and go for a run, drive, or just continue your day. At the end, you'll have a complete log of your path. The data stays on your device and can be exported as a CSV or JSON file. Import it to your computer for mapping, speed calculations, or time at location analysis. You can also automate actions based on your location, like connecting to Wi-Fi or sending a message when you're near home. Write scripts that check your coordinates and trigger actions automatically. You can filter logs to only record when moving faster than walking, or log altitude for hikes. This lets you turn your location data into useful, personalized information and automations. Want to track your device's location in real time from anywhere? Set up your own private server. Use open-source software like TrackR for this purpose. Install the TrackR server on a home computer, Raspberry Pi, or a cloud server. The server receives and stores your device's location data, and you can view it on a web dashboard. Next, install the TrackR client app on your phone or use Termux to script your own. Configure the app to send GPS data to your server's IP address at regular intervals. Your phone now securely reports its location to your private system. Log into your server's web dashboard from any browser to see your device's real-time location. You'll see a map with a live pin for your device. Check speed, direction, and battery level directly from the dashboard. The server keeps a history so you can replay your device's route. Set up geofences and get alerts if your device enters or leaves specific areas. It's free, open source, and you have full control over your location data. You've collected location data, IP-based city names, GPS coordinates, and movement logs. Right now, it's just text and numbers in a terminal or file. To make it useful, visualize it. Convert raw data into a map. Use OpenStreetMap APIs and tools. OpenStreetMap is a free, open map of the world. Its APIs let you interact with map data. In Termux, use scripts to turn latitude and longitude into a static map image with a pin. Run your command, get coordinates. Pipe the output into another script. Build a URL for an OSM static map, passing coordinates as parameters. Customize zoom, map style, and marker icon. Use doubleget or curl to download the map image to your phone. Now your numbers have visual context. Seeing a pin on a map is clearer than reading raw coordinates. Automate coordinate lookups with scripts. Run a script anywhere to instantly see your location on a map in Termux. Use this for your GPS logs too. Write a script to plot your entire path from a log file. Or generate a heat map to show where you spent the most time. With these tools, you can create and customize your own maps. For location tracking using phone numbers, PhoneInfoga is a top OSINT tool you can run directly in Termux. Its main function is to scan public data sources for information about a phone number, which can sometimes include indirect location clues. It does not track live GPS, but it can find out if a number is valid, its country, and carrier. PhoneInfoga checks if the number is linked to accounts on WhatsApp, Telegram, Google, or social media like Facebook and Instagram. If it finds a linked social media profile, you might get public info like city, workplace, or geotagged photos. It also checks data breach databases for exposure of the number. To use, simply run PhoneInfoga in Termux, enter the target number, and review the generated report for any location-related leads. Always use this tool for ethical purposes, such as investigating scams or auditing your own number. If GPS isn't working indoors or in dense cities, your phone can still track location using Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi geolocation uses a global database of Wi-Fi networks and their physical locations. With Termux, you can scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks and see their details. Each Wi-Fi router has a unique BSS ID. Your phone detects these as you move around. Use Termux tools to list all Wi-Fi networks, their BSS IDs, SSIDs, and signal strengths. You can contribute your scans to open-source databases like Wiggle. Run a scanning tool in Termux, walk or drive, and log networks with GPS coordinates. Upload your data to help build a global map of wireless networks. These tools are useful for security research and network auditing. Hobbyists can map their city's Wi-Fi and join citizen science projects using just their phone and Termux. For our final tool, let's look at offline IP geolocation with Termux. Tools like GoIP let you download a geolocation database, such as MaxMind, directly to your device. Download the database file, usually a few hundred megabytes, and store it locally. Use a Termux command line tool to look up IP addresses instantly without internet. Results are nearly instant since everything happens on your device. You get country, city, and more in a fraction of a second. You can process thousands of IPs in bulk with a simple script. All lookups stay private. No data leaves your device. This is a fast, private, and professional way to do IP reconnaissance with Termux. Here are 10 free Termux tools that turn your phone into a powerful location tracking and network analysis device. With just a terminal app and some curiosity, you can achieve a lot. No need for expensive software. Free and open source tools make advanced tech accessible to everyone. But remember, use these tools responsibly. Never track anyone without their clear, informed consent. It's both unethical and illegal. Tools like traceroute, Nmap, and GPS logging help you understand your own digital footprint. Always review app permissions and be mindful of the data you share. The more you know, the more control you have over your privacy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.